So door edge, always peel it back, dry. I put my finger on what will be the inside and I wrap the liner around my finger, and I'll start off at the top. And my left hand here is steering. And if we get bunched up, I can pull and stretch. So my left hand is doing all the steering. And if I need to do a corner, I don't want it to bunch up, so then I'll pull and stretch. Get to the end. Wrapping it in. Don't try and do just one chunk at a time. Do a little bit of all of it. Back and forth, back and forth. And this will ensure that you don't have any air bubbles trapped and left behind.